Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are handling a simple but important DevOps task that's often overlooked, cloning an existing Git repository from one directory to another on a Linux server. Let's say the DevOps team set up a Git repo last week, but it hasn't been touched yet. Now, the development team needs a copy of that repo on the server inside a specific directory. You don't want to change anything, just a clean clone of that repository. So let's walk through how to do it the right way. In our case, the repo is at opt/opt beta.git. This is a bare Git repo, which means it contains only the Git version control data, no working directory or the files, just the repo history and the structure. So what is the task here? The DevOps team established a new Git repo last week, which means unused at present. However, the Nautilus application team now requires a copy of this repository on the server. In this DC, follow the provided details to clone the repository. The repository to be cloned is at this location. Clone this Git repo to this directory. Ensure no modifications are made to the repository during the cloning process. Alright, I have logged into that storage server. Now the dev team wants a copy under this path, right? Now, first we have to do, let's create that directory. Sudo mkdir -p user src kodekloudrepos. Copy the password. Okay, it's done. Now we have created the directory. Now we have to clone the repository without modifying anything. So we are not making any commits or changes, just copying. So here is the command to do that. Sudo git clone. What is the source? /opt beta.git to destination user src kodekloudrepos. Enter. So what is it saying? Cloning into this source. If we break down this command, /opt beta.git is the source and this is the destination. So this is the repo which we want to clone, and this is the repo to which this is the directory to which the repo needs to be copied there. The dev team has asked for. Now let's check if everything came up correctly. You can go to cd user src kodekloudrepos ls-e. All right. Now we have seen that the standard Git files like .git has come here. As this is a bare repository, the working directory files are not present. And that's it. Now you have cloned an internal Git repository from one path to another without changing a single thing inside it. Super clean, super easy. This kind of task may seem to be small, but it's a part of glue that keeps a DevOps system running smoothly. Little setups like this make collaboration for the dev teams. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more DevOps walkthroughs, and drop a comment if you want me to cover anything in Git specifically in more depth, maybe setting up any other things. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.